This is how Tamil Nadu makes the real chicken chukka.
What's for today?
Today we are making something very special, Tamil Nadu style. Today we are making a Tamil style chicken chukka gravy. Thick, spicy and home style. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. For the chicken chukka gravy, let's take a look at the ingredients. Chicken pieces, curd, tomato puree, shallots, coriander leaves, chili powder, ginger, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, garlic, turmeric.
Firstly,
I am not saying firstly. Okay, let's add 1 kilo chicken pieces. Then we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. You can mix Kashmiri chili powder and normal chili powder, but this is like little spicy. Then we are adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is 5 tablespoons of curd, which is 1/4 cup of curd. Add salt. Here I am adding in almost 1 teaspoon of salt. Please adjust salt as per your liking. Now we will give this a very nice mix and marinate this for half an hour to 45 minutes or 1 hour, whichever. Massage the chicken very well so that the masalas are coated. Let's keep this baby for marination for half an hour. So let's start. The chicken has been marinating for the last 45 minutes. Now time to cook this wonderful baby. For this I am adding in nallanna, not coconut oil. 1.5 cups of shallots, which is cherry. Saute the shallots till translucent and then we'll add in ginger pieces. Time to add ginger. This is 1 teaspoon of ginger. It's a very simple recipe. Even bachelors can cook this because the ingredients are very less. Just marination, just dump everything and cook it. Done. Curry leaves. Okay, I added 1 pureed tomato because of Vignesh. That didn't get recorded. Sorry for the inconvenience. A pinch of salt we'll add in later. Time to add our marinated chicken. Woo. Let's sear the chicken and then we'll add in the water. Add enough water. Let's say 1.5 cups. Cover and cook. Keep the fire on low. It's 10 minutes now. Let's check out. Wow.
lovely.
Remember, we have this garam masala. So this is about half a teaspoon of that. I'm going to slowly sprinkle that and give it a good mix. So another 10 more minutes and the chicken will be cooked. All right, Vignesh, it's looking yummalicious.
Really?
No, chundali. So this is how Tamil Nadu makes the real chicken chukka. I've got an idea. I'm going to temper the garlic and then pour that into this. It gives a brilliant flavor. And now we'll pour this. See that look, that spicy look, that's exactly what I was looking for. Now today I'm on a fast, so it will be Vignesh who will be tasting. കഴിച്ചോ? ഇന്ന് എനിക്ക് കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
കൊള്ളാം.
ശരിക്കും പറയാണോ?
അല്ല, പറ്റിച്ചോ? കൊള്ളാം.
Until next episode, take care. Bye-bye.